Okay, so I've just dug out my Team Associated SC8. It's not got the lid on at the moment, the body shell. But this hasn't run for like 8 years. So I've just started the engine. Had a bit of trouble starting it, but I finally got there in the end. As you can see, it's in good condition. So I'm going to be hopefully getting this back out again. It's still got the 27 MHz old radio on it, so I'm going to be replacing that probably, or eventually, with a 2.4 GHz system. I'm always seriously thinking of making some panels for the front, for the top, for the sides, and having some sort of semi-naked car. So that's the Team Associated SC8. Hopefully it'll be running pretty soon.